मुझे लगा मुझे सब आता है, पर फिर एआई ने मेरी पूरी स्ट्रैटेजी कॉपी कर ली। Well, these are the sentences of one of the team members of my client. When I was coaching a client on day 92, let's talk about why entrepreneurs who don't adapt will get definitely left behind. Few days back, I was coaching one of the entrepreneurs where one of the team members comes up during the team training and tells me that what I feel is everything that I knew has been copied by AI. Now, AI has my entire strategy that I used to work on, and I am confused what to give to my boss so that he feels more happy. Now, this might be a situation with most of your team members, and as a business owner, if you are not checking on this, you might be losing on your team members trust, and you might also be getting frustrated with the kind of work that your team gives you. So here are three rules to remember. One, AI is changing industries, so whatever be your industry, identify the tools, the techniques, the automation systems being used, or even the hardware systems that are using AI slowly and slowly to start manufacturing things. Now, just think about it. China has recently created a dark factory, which means a factory which will automate the process of manufacturing, and there are no humans inside that factory. In fact, there are no lights too, and maybe that's called a dark factory. But then AI is definitely changing industries. The second thing is the customer behavior is majorly shifting due to the automations and the technology coming into picture. So just think about it. If your business is automated, where you get automated orders, it becomes easy for the customers to have expectations too, which is very well shown to us in the form of quick commerce. Quick commerce websites are built on automation and are built on customer behavior that gives a lot of convenience for people to order. For example, if I have ordered something recently, as soon as I open the app, it will show me that do you want to reorder this again. Now, this for the people who buy repeatedly grocery or other items for their daily lives is becoming much more easier because the tool itself suggests you what you have bought earlier, and if that was satisfying to you, you will buy end up buying it again. So customer behaviors are majorly shifting. And the third thing is that digital businesses are growing much faster than ever. So if you have a digital business model, do a double check of what the industry people or the industry giants are doing in that particular industry. Just go and copy that to the part that you can, so that your business can also start growing.